Hello guys, pula sabke salam chanai dia se. Aaj bhi apne khan ke ekta khobor loi ani dia se. Etu to hole PM Kisan laga opor de TPD link do kinaka koribo aro ki record document lage etu TPD link karne. Etu la opor de apne khan ke koi dibo aro tate to hole do kinaka system de amakhan do bank de Aadhaar do link kurula ase. Etu la bhi apne khan ke koi dibo. Yati sa time de farmers corner de alag option bishi thake. Hole bhi yati to hole do eKYC bhi koribole lage aro mobile bhi update koribole ulabo aro tate noyo status de check kora time de bhi apni laga ki tate problem ase etu hondo check kori sakole tate babo poila laga video de bhi ami banai na thakibo etu to hole do farmers corner de eKYC do koribo lage eKYC kora na kole do aro apni laga next installment do na pabo next payment do na pabo koina etu la opor de bhi ami banai na thakibo kele kole eKYC do hole mandatory ase koina aro farmers beneficiary khan pra to hole do ki laga problem ase etu to hole registration number logena noyo status te check kori sakole ki laga problem hole bi tate babo yate to hole do official website te sa time de yate official homepage bi kobo tate na babo honorable prime minister has released a 18th installment of PM Kisan Yojana on 5th October 2024 goina etu to hole prime minister bra 18th installment do hole do 5th October 2024 de release kora laga koina first homepage te enega dekhibo pare ase aro yate to hole do eKYC is mandatory for PM Kisan register farmers OTP based eKYC is available on PM Kisan portal koina ase aro tate to hole do or nearest CSC center may be conducted for biometric based eKYC koina ase etu to hole do eKYC to hole do mandatory ase koise every beneficiary to le eKYC bi koribo lage koina aro next is abo etu Aadhaar do kinaka link koribo account de etu la opor de aro etu to hole do Aadhaar link kora do hole direct benefit transfer TBD payment do pabo nimide tate to hole do visit your bank branch koina ase apni laga bank de visit koribo lage apni kote account kholishe tate visit koribo ena korna tate to hole do ki document lage etu one sob to tate apni khan ke koi dibo aro etu Aadhaar do account de link koribo lage aro TBD link koribo karne form ekta bo etu do minted and consent form provided by your bank ena ase tate bank bra dia form ekta thakibo tate fill up korna dibole ase etu do hole Aadhaar link bank account do hole India Post Payment Bank thakibo Airtel Payments Bank ase Axis Bank ase Nagaland State Cooperative Bank ase aro State Bank of India enega alag bank de apni kundu wala de account khulina ase tate TBD link koro karne submit korula ase bank de aro yate to hole do TPD link koro karne record document to ki lage kol do TPD link record document xerox copy of Aadhaar card PAN card bank passbook ena tinda ena xerox copy logena apne nichu laga bank khola etu bank branch to visit korbo ena korna consent form do fill up korna submit korbo ena korise kole takan bra to hole do tate TPD link to kori dibo aro next day yate to hole do apni khan ke simple dekhai dia ase etu to hole TPD link laga form ase NPCI mapping koribo karne yate fill up korna apni submit korbo etu to hole apni khan ke half fee dekhai dina ase simple karne apni khan janibo karne etu nisna form pabo tane fill up korna etia ko khan document sob yate pin up korna bank de submit koriso kole etu TPD link do kori dibo koina etu bi koi dia ase aro yate sob to record document logena bank de submit kora bishi de TPD link hoisina nai koina kina check koribo kole do UIDAI website te jaigena bank sitting status etu ke check korna apni tate janibo paribo aro number 2 de login with your Aadhaar number captcha code ena korbo aro number 3 de click the login with OTP and enter the OTP received on your register mobile number ena ase UIDAI la website te Aadhaar website te jaigena apni laga bank sitting status to check koribo paribo aro number 4 de to hole do find Aadhaar TPD link with bank account active or inactive apni active hoise kole bi aro inactive ase kole bi UIDAI website te jaigena check korna janibo paribo koina etu bi koi dia ase aji apni khan ke etu video bana do hole do 19 installment pabole time hoi ase etia 1st January para to hole takan tate to hole do farmer laga account do tate check korle start korbo aro payment processing bank de start korbo etu karne etu noha akire nichola bank do phalbar check korbe aro TPD link ase nai ada setting kina ase bank account to active na inactive ase etu one phal bra check kurna thakibo karne etu banai dia laka ase beneficiary laka installment payment do ena kurna February te pabula ase etu karne product to hole TPD link na kurna thaka bi korilobi aro ada setting aro bank account active na inactive ase etu hondo phal bra check korilobi koina apni kan kitu short pra banai dia ase kemajon pra saise bishi khushi paise aji karne mani for more updates sai thakibi tana kate